Hey kids, it's me Vandana. Welcome to Eggplant Education. In our last video, we saw the concepts what comes after and before in both forward counting and reverse counting. In today's video, we will see the next concept from our chapter 1. So what we're gonna do now? Yes, before we start learning our next topic, let's quickly have a math fun game. So here we go. Can you all guess the vegetable name from the given picture? Your time starts now. Come on. The time is running. Time up. Yes, you all guessed it right. It's cauliflower. Cauliflower. It's cauliflower. Okay, so let's move on to our today's topic. What is left in our chapter 1? Skip counting can be so much fun. Jump the same number from the previous one, a pattern you will see when you are done. Yes, it's skip counting. We are going to see about skip counting. So what is skip counting? In math, skip counting can be defined as the method of counting forward by number other than 1. That is, skip counting is a counting by a number that is not 1. So to skip count, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. Example, we skip count by 2 like this. As you see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So, knowing how to skip count helps once to remember math multiplication tables. Like you can count many things quickly and with any number you can skip count. So skip count is possible with any number, and also it helps you to count very faster, and it has a major application in real life. So as you all see here, we are skip counting by 2 on a number line. Okay, so starting at 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10 and so on. So we can skip count by any number. Here, we count the number in the forward direction. So it means we skip count for a positive number. Suppose we have to count marbles which are in hundreds of number. Counting one by one marble will consume more time. Yes? Hence, we skip count them by any big number like such as 10s, 20s, 5s or anything. Then we can quickly count them. So with lots of examples using hundreds chart, number line and with real-time examples, let us learn here how to skip count by different numbers. Are you all ready? Yes. So let's see a normal counting like 1, 2, 3, 1 by 1 we used to count. Yes, but from normal counting was a skip count by 2. Let's see who's going to be the winner. Look at this example. Shall we start this game? Yes. Let's see. Skip count by 2 is the winner. Counting by 1 is still going on. Here, we are going to see skip count by 2. There are lots of shoes here. How many shoes are there? Look at the shoes on the floor of the living room. They are in pairs. We can find the total number of shoes by counting in twos. Let's see how. Come on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are 12 shoes. Yes? Okay. Here we have hundreds chart. Yes, it is called hundreds chart. It can help us with skip counting. So when looking at this chart, we can see lots of different patterns. For example, right now we are going to see skip count by 2. So all the numbers in yellow are multiples of 2. So we started skip counting by 2. We would land on only the yellow numbers in this chart. So look at this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. So all these are also even numbers. If you note it, you will know it's all even number. So let's see in number line. Skip counting in number line. Skip count by 2. Look at the number line. 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and so on. So next we'll see skip count by 5. So let's start learning skip count by fives. Okay, shall we look at the example? Here are so many flowers in the garden. Look at the flowers in the pots. Each pot there are 5 flowers. So how many flowers are there? We are going to count it. We can find the total number of flowers by counting in fives using a skip count by fives. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So there are 25 flowers in the pot. Yes. Now let's see the hundreds chart. Skip counting by fives has a nice pattern, like look at this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. So let's look at number line. Skip counting by fives in number line. While looking at the number line, you can see it very clear. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. It keeps skipping. Yes? It skipped 5, 5, 5. So this is the skip counting by fives. Last, we will see the skip counting by tens. Actually, skip counting by tens is the easiest. It is like a normal counting, except there is an extra 0. So start at 10, then 20, 30, 40 and so on. So let's see. How many eggs are there? Look at the cushions of eggs on the table. In each cushions there are 10 eggs. So we can find the total number of eggs by counting in tens. Let's start. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So there are 50 eggs in all. Yes. So look at the hundreds chart. Skip counting by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's nice, yeah? Next, we'll look at the number line. Skip counting by 10 in number line. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. It's like 0 plus 10, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, and so on. So, skip counting by 5 and 10 and 2, it all has a nice pattern. When you have mastered your 10s, 2s, 5s, you can try the 3s and 4s. Skip counting by 3s and 4s. Like this. Skip count by 3s. 3, skip. 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Then skip count by 4s are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. So, please practice all of these skills. It is very useful for you to count very faster and very quickly. And it is also helpful to know your multiplication table. So today's topic, we completed what is skip counting and we also completed the chapter 1. I hope you all understand what is skip counting by 2s, 5s and 10s and also 3s and 4s. You all practice well at home. Next video, we will see the multiple choice questions. We can start solving the questions, okay, from chapter 1. You all learned what is skip counting. Yes? If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you have already subscribed, you can click the bell icon to make sure that you get a notification every time I post a new video, so you never miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe. It's your Eggplant Education signing off. Bye-bye.